Hello and welcome to Samurai Day Trading Trade of the Day. Fred here to run through the trade with you on this fifth day of November 2025. We just got finished with the U.S. closed live trading room, and here's a trade taken in the room by myself and other traders. We'll see the setup is pretty normal to what we usually do every day. We look for this amazing indicator, which you'll see this little triangle right here. That's a strong candle indicator saying, and the indicator saying take this trade short. And then we need to figure out how much we're going to be going for target wise. So we look over here at the PVI. We say we expect the next candle to be anywhere between 50 and 65 ticks in length. So we'll go over to our ATM and we say we'll go for 16s, 30s, and 61s. All right. 16s, 31s, and 61s. And we'll de-risk the trade after 16. And there we go. So everything is set. We just need a bit of a retrace, which is already started. So we'll go ahead and put our order right underneath like that, and we will go. And here's how it looked in the room today. All right, it's going up a little bit. We're going to put it right on the body of the previous candle. We'll run it at regular speed. It's just mediocre speed, kind of a little bit slow today, but that's okay. We've seen it slower. So as soon as we get picked up, we'll speed it up so we're not here all day. Again, it's just a simple, strong candle indicator trade. And there we are. First thing we do is put our stop where it belongs, which is the last major failure area. And then we'll speed it up to see we're good. Now watch where it happens to the stop after the first target gets hit. Now we are trading the NASDAQ. It's $5 per tick. So in between each white line is worth 50 US dollars. All right, this is 4 times market. Now notice that the stop went all the way from the top down here. So now we're at a break-even point. We can't lose any money in the trade. If the market does come back and take us out here, we have the option of re-entering the trade if we want. Now, the first two targets are taken out. So 2 times 16, 1 times 30. I'm looking for our 61 tick target to get taken out. And there it goes. Boom. All right, that trade took a little, but just about 3.5 minutes and was worth 630 US dollars. So if you want to learn how to make 630 US dollars in 3.5 minutes, come and join us at SamuraiDayTrading.com. That's SamuraiDayTrading.com. We look forward to seeing you next time. So God bless. We'll see you then.